Good morning this Monday, the 17th of March. I'm Grady Wolf, market analyst with Bell Direct. What a week it was on global markets last week as Trump tariffs and global trade war concerns spread fear throughout global equities, leading to a mass sell-off in stocks across many markets and the price of gold, the safe haven asset, topping $3,000 for the first time ever. Wall Street reversed some of last week's losses on Friday, though, to close higher across the key indices as news out of the Whitehouse around tariffs eased on Friday, which prompted investors to reconsider buying into equities following days of sharp sell-offs. The Dow Jones rose 1.65% on Friday, the S&P 500 added 2.13%, and the Nasdaq ended the day up 2.61%. The seesaw of tariffs being on and off in Trump's policy front has spooked markets over the last week as investors shift portfolios into safe haven assets to manage the current high volatility among equities and global markets. In Europe on Friday, markets closed higher after German lawmakers came closer to agreeing on reforming the country's debt brake rule. The Stock 600 rose 1.14%, Germany's DAX climbed 1.65%, the French CAC added 1.05%, and in the UK the FTSE 100 ended the day up 1.13%. Across the APAC region last week, markets mostly rose on Friday despite Wall Street's tumble on Thursday. Japan's Nikkei rose 0.72%, Hong Kong's Hang Seng added 2.12%, China's CSI index gained 2.43%, but South Korea's Kospi index ended the day down to 0.28%. Locally on Friday, the ASX 200 recovered some ground with a 0.52% rise at the closing bell, but the key index posted a 2% loss for the week. Rate-sensitive sectors of tech and consumer discretionary stocks took the biggest hit last week as consumers fear inflation in the US and locally can rebound as a result of Trump tariffs. Ahead of Monday's trading session here in Australia, the SPI futures are anticipating the local market will open the new trading week up 1.09%, and that's tracking Wall Street's rise on Friday. On the commodities front this morning, oil is up 0.95% at $67.18 a barrel. Gold is up 2.47% at $2,983 an ounce, and iron ore is up 0.7% at $102.85 a ton. The Australian dollar has slightly strengthened by 63.25 US cents, 94.1 Japanese yen, 48.64 British pence, and 1 New Zealand dollar and 10 cents. And now let's dive into some trading ideas for your consideration today. Bell Potter has initiated coverage of Seek with a buy rating and a 12-month price target of $27 with the view that the company's market-leading portfolio is centralised for scaling. Seek is the largest marketplace in Australia for job advertisements, and the analysts can see potential ad volumes increasing as macro tailwinds are driven by the RBA's rate cut cycle. And Trading Central has identified a bearish signal on South 32 following the formation of a pattern over a period of 70 days, which is roughly the same amount of time the share price may fall from the close of $3.53 to the range of $2.96 to $3.06, according to standard principles of technical analysis. And that's all for this Monday morning. Have a wonderful day, and as always, happy investing.